Hello everyone, today is February 3rd, it's a Thursday. If you like these videos, if you find them informative, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Currently a little bit over 37,000 subscribers. We're now also available on Rumble. The purpose of this video is to identify support and resistance based on manipulation, which is actually very interesting. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. The chart that you're seeing is a simple basic E-mini S&P chart, but it has one added feature. It's the roadmap software. The roadmap software is only available in the mentorship class, and what we're seeing and what we're using this for is to identify areas where the market hits, reverses, or maybe lands in these areas and goes through them. So take, for example, the market going lower and lower and lower. The traders who created this lower move by selling the market have to eventually buy it back. And sometimes you see the market reverse for no reason. And that reason is the power behind buying it back or stops that are happening. The same thing if the market goes up and at some point we have to take profit and there's a big sell on the opposite side, which is the profit taking. So the areas that you're seeing right now currently live is the market landing in this area, which happens to be around 44.96, 44.95. It's shaded in red. And this is telling me because the market did not go through that area, got stuck there, and it's starting to reverse, we're going to have an opportunity to be a buyer. This is a perfect example to show you that manipulation is happening. For whatever reason, the market is landing in this area. The profit taking is beginning. Traders are pushing the market up, and I'm just waiting for the proof to go long. Now the software itself gives you the entry to be a buyer based on 2 consecutive candles closing, and these 2 consecutive candles closing provide this roadmap long 44.98 signal. So it's the evidence that I need to be a buyer. Now if the market continues lower, let's say that this signal is wrong, the exit will be right when it breaks below that shaded area. So I have a stop based on the market now breaking and going lower. If the market instead goes higher, I have a target, and that target is based on the current conditions. So the current conditions are about 2.5, 3 points based on the ATR. That's a good starting point. And then if you look to the upside, you'll see that there's another zone up there, which potentially means that at that point the market will hit that area, maybe pause and stall, maybe there's profit taking happening, and it's a good area for those of you who are looking to take a profit or trail a stop. At the same time, use that as a target. But for this video and the purpose of this trade, I only want to take 1 times the ATR, which is about 3 points. I want to get in, I want to get out of the trade, and I want to be finished and possibly look for the next opportunity. So it's a 3-point move using about 5 contracts. It's a very simple process to enter into the market, whether it's a market order, a limit order, or a market if touched order. You want to be a buyer based on the signal. Now let's say, for example, there's another trade that says sell, or there's another trade that says buy. These are evidence. This is evidence that the market is either giving you conflicting signals. So let's say that there's a scalper or trade scalper signal to go long. That's a great thing because we're already long and I want to maintain long. If there's instead a signal that says go short, this is where I want to tighten up my stop. This is where I want to manage the trade very carefully. And so what you're seeing here is the market starting to go higher in my opportunity to take a profit at 45.02 quarter. So at 45.02 quarter, it's happening, build, and I'm out of the trade. So I got out of the trade, and now you can see right above me there's a new area, a zone A potential in blue. That shaded area is telling me be careful, because when the market reaches this area, it may stop, it may pause. Now if it goes straight through it, great. I can then continue to go long until the next zone is created. So these are areas and zones of manipulation which the software will plot for you in advance to either filter out a trade, that's very important, number 1, or number 2, help you get into a trade because it's landing in this area, and then bouncing off of it. So later on tonight, if you want to take a look at your charts, take a look at what happened at around 45.05. If the market in fact landed in that area, stopped, paused, reversed, you'll be able to see for yourself. If you're interested in learning more on how to day trade, if you'd like to get the Roadmap software, and if you'd like to join the next mentorship class beginning February 9th, visit daytradetowin.com. The details are all listed. Give us a call. Let's make sure this program is right for you. Until next time, I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.